What's going on, everybody? If you're watching this video, it's because you love XRP, you're super mega bullish, or you hate XRP, and well, we welcome everybody. $11.5 trillion, guys. That is a number that we want to state here because that is the current asset under management for BlackRock. Yes, BlackRock. And Larry Fink was interviewed earlier this year, 2024, back in January, about ETFs and Bitcoin and everything. And the interviewer asked him very nicely, how about an XRP ETF? And he's like, well, his answer might shock you. By the end of this video, I want to tell you that one. We'll watch this little clip. But the point is, did we buy the dip? Because 48 hours ago, it looked like we were going under 50 and 60, right? We did just for a little tiny bit to 58 Bitcoin. But I took the chance. I opened some Margex positions. First link down below, guys, as we've been talking in the channel. And we're up and up and up. Guys, we're super excited for what crypto is doing. Everybody is suing the SEC. Don't you love it, guys? Crypto.com, Coinbase, Ripple, and many other different ones that we've been discussing. The SEC is gonna go down if he gets elected. If he wins, Gary, you'll be fired. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys, and consider subscribing to the channel. Very happy to be here with you. Almost 90,000 of you subscribers. Guys, we're really crushing it, and I'm very blessed. BlackRock surpasses 11.5 trillion asset under management. Just happened earlier today. So it's breaking, just in news. Very happy from, to see that, because the more money, the better for them. But take a look at this. We got Bitwise, Grayscale, Canary, and why don't you go ahead and enjoy this with me now? This, for some reason, it's been shared so much in the last 24 hours, October 10. You go ahead and type this, Larry Fink XRP ETF, and there's so many sharing it as if it happened yesterday, but easily research could show you that this is coming from much earlier in the year, right? So FYI, this is not breaking news. This is not news. This is just something that happened earlier. Now, check this out.
I think the advent of Bitcoin ETFs is an example that we're legitimizing it. We're creating more safety.
Well, let me ask you this. Will you do another ETF? How about an XRP ETF? I know you got Ether out there. How about XRP? Can you answer that?
I can't.
How about XRP? Can you answer that? I can't.
And you don't want me to.
I do.
Well, I can't.
I mean, if I'm putting myself in his shoes, which I can't, but I'm just, just for a second, it's probably saying that because early in 2024, Ripple was still in an ongoing battle with the SEC, and no asset manager wanted to have that battle, wanted to kind of like say that they were going to do an extra PTF, because then you're saying that, okay, why are you doing that if they have an ongoing, legal battle with lawsuit with the SEC? But now we see Bitwise, Grayscale, they're like, we don't even care. We just want it because we know people truly are making crushing money with Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. And I'm going to prove it to you guys right here. So this is the article stating right from Watch Guru, but check this out. The firm received a notable boost from increased inflows into its exchange-traded funds. In January, they were one of the 11 inaugural issuances of the first crypto-based ETF in the United States, BTC. Just a few months later, they feature both Bitcoin and Ethereum investment options that has only magnified their economic presence. Guys, this is basically saying that asset managers who are rushing to get their hands on an ETF to get approved by the SEC and by everybody are killing it. They're killing it, guys. There's tons of people who are on Fidelity, on Vanguard, on BlackRock, on Grayscale, on Bitwise, on Canary, on many different of these banks and huge financial institutions who are not going to go to Coinbase, who are not going to go to Binance, are not going to go to Crypto.com, are not going to go to any other exchange low tier for them, because they already have a relationship with them. And they're like, we trust Larry. We don't want, nobody else. We want BlackRock to keep our assets because we know that's the most powerful guy, most powerful institution in the world, and they're not going to go down. They want security, and that's what BlackRock offers, guys. So going back to this, guys, beautiful stuff because we understand that and how bullish that is, guys. So I'm very, very happy to tell you that in probably the upcoming months or weeks, we don't know, right? But don't be surprised to hear from Larry and from BlackRock when they announce an XRP trust fund or an XRP ETF application at the SEC. And once it does, you got the main people, you got the main institution here in the US. It's going to be awesome, though. Let me tell you this. Oh. Guys, we got a 120% here on Margex. We started this one a few days ago. So boom. We also got this one, XRP 10X. Why not? Almost 20%. So guys, go ahead and take a look at the first link down below because we're crushing it. And this is one of many that I've shown you in the past. 3-digit with XRP, 2-digit on XRP. And what we do is we open, we close them. What I wanted to do and what I'm trying to do is that I open and I leave them because the price I wanted to go high and high and high. I mean, eventually we are, we are at this close from a bull market. So I want to start at a great price where I know it's not going to go down anymore. And Bitcoin is just going to build from there. And altcoins can get up from there, right? So no KYC, guys. It takes a few seconds to sign up. With my link down below, you'll be one of 50 plus who are actively trading. So I'm really, really happy. And deposit some funds, invest here. And once you really get it, you can also invite more people and get some bonuses with that. And it's a cool machine, guys, for us to little by little make those monies, right? So I will recommend everybody, and we're doing what we can. We got another one, 5x on BTC, right? So what I do is I open 5x's, which are minimum leverage, and the liquidation range is big. So you are not going to get liquidated very fast. If you do super high leverage, like 50 or 100, your liquidation range is closer. So there's a chance that you're going to get, gone, that position. Isolated, please, isolated. I only do isolated so it doesn't mess around with my other balances. Good. So guys, we also wanted to show you this one, guys. Fear. When should we buy XRP? When should we buy crypto? When it's extreme greed? Exactly. No. No. Why would you buy crypto when it's extreme greed? What benefit, what magic, what bravery are you showing? Nothing. You're just doing what everybody's doing. Fear. Every single chance we have fear, that's when most of us, long-term investors, OGs, whatever you want to call it, we know that we have to go. We have to do it. Because if we don't do it, then somebody else will, and they will pump the price, and now we're paying a much higher price, and we don't want that. We have that. We also have this one, guys, coming in today. XRP Wells moved 81 million coins as Ripple files cross appeal against the SEC. Everybody's suing the SEC right now. Everybody. And here it is. I liked it. Let me find it for you. So the SEC, the last 24 hours, they've been suing different entities and organizations for fraud, money laundering, and everything, all you can imagine. Here it is, Cumberland. They're now defending themselves against the SEC, and here's their message, right? So it's crazy, right? But that's what Gary Gensler is trying to do, and no one is gonna surrender to them. They're all gonna fight, and chances are, in less than a month, when the election happens, we might say goodbye to Gary Gensler. So thanks for watching, everybody. $11.5 trillion once again. Oh boy. I cannot, if everybody watching this video, we get together and we try to spend that money we want, I 100% guarantee you we won't be able to spend $11.5 trillion. You could try the best you can. You won't be able to spend $11.5 trillion. That's how much money it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.